Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is how to make a quick beef fried rice. I hope you can really see how amazing this beef fried rice will look. This is so delicious. I'm sure you would like to know how I came up with this perfect result. Yeah, let's dive right into the video. The ingredients I have for the beef fried rice are quite simple, and they are boiled white rice, soya sauce, eggs, minced fresh pepper, parsley, beef are diced into little chunks, sweet corn, green pea, white pepper, ginger and garlic powder, salt, mixed seasoning, vegetable oil, bell peppers, purple and white onion, green beans, carrots, and lastly fresh garlic. Please note, for the minced fresh pepper, this is totally optional. You can use black pepper to substitute it. For the bell pepper, you can use any color of your choice, and while for the onion, you can use either of the two I use. There is no problem about that. Now let's proceed to prep our veggies. After prepping the veggies, this is what we got. Can you see how beautiful that looks? Please, if you have not liked this video, do me a favor by liking the video. It is very important to me. Thank you. Without wasting time, place a wok on the heat and add a little vegetable oil. Please, the measurement of all my recipe will be at the description box. Once the oil is preheated, as you can see, I've added the egg. I use white pepper and a pinch of salt to season the egg off the camera, okay? Yeah, we are not gonna fry the egg like a normal fried egg, but we are making a perfect crumbled eggs, and this is totally optional, alright? And crumble the egg according to your preference. Once the egg is very good to go, I will remove from the heat and set aside for later use. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not, please do me a favor by subscribing to the channel, like this video, share the video to families and friends, and drop your comment as you keep watching. God bless you. In the same wok, preheat a little vegetable oil and then add the minced garlic and onion and fry that for about 2 minutes. Once that is done, add the diced beef and stir until the beef changes color. Have you liked this video? Please, if you have not liked this video, like this video, share this video to families and friends, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video, and do drop your comments. Thank you. All the liquid you see in there came out from the beef because I brought it out from the fridge. Now I will add the minced fresh pepper, which I say is optional, and salt to taste. Stir once more to combine, and then cover to cook for at least 7 to 12 minutes. Yeah. 10 minutes later, Virtuous family, this is what we got. Beautiful, right? Yeah. Now I will stir and add the veggies, which is green beans, carrot, green peas, sweet corn, and bell peppers. Then mix to combine very well for at least 4 minutes or thereabouts. Once the veggies are fried for about 3 minutes, then add the white pepper, minced seasoning, garlic and ginger powder, a little salt, just a little. Remember, we've added salt before now, and then mix to combine very well. As you can see, Virtuous family, everything is well mixed. The next thing I want to add is the white boiled rice, soya sauce, white onion, parsley, and then mix again to combine. Once that is done, allow to simmer on a low heat for at least 3 minutes. And 3 minutes later, Virtuous family, add the scrambled egg and stir very well to combine. Once that is done well, then check and balance the taste. This is my best part, and I tell you, the beef fried rice is really delicious. On this junction, Virtuous family, our quick beef fried rice is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. As the name sounds, quick beef fried rice. It was so quick and easy to make, and it was so delicious. You really need to try this recipe to confirm it yourself. If you recreate this recipe, please do feel free to give us your feedback on our social media handle as usual. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. This is all we'll have for you for today's video from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. As always, remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.